Yo, this DJ Battery from Battery Devil and my old new YouTube channel. If you're wondering why do I have this open, this is a learning table that I got for my son Sergio. Well, my sister bought it, and it has a problem with not all of the stuff work. So I thought it was a thing that's fried. This does not look fried to me. It doesn't smell fried, so I don't know. The wires aren't loose. Everything's working good. Everything looks to be in tip-top shape. So everything looks good. I just don't know. The circuit board looks corroded. So I looked at it. And I talked to my sister Jessie earlier, and I said, is there a way to clean a circuit board without using rubbing alcohol? And she's like, why? And I said that my son Sergio's table that you bought him on Christmas does not work correctly. I'm gonna throw it out. She said, don't throw it out. Oh Lord, I spent $150, right? And I said, but the thing's not working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm cleaning out. Make sure you take your batteries out. Don't have batteries in here while working on this. And also you gotta be careful with the parts. I'm cleaning out this side. I want to be very careful not to fuck anything up when I'm cleaning this out. And yeah, this looks dirty as hell. See how the paper towel's kind of like turning brown? That's all battery acid. Yeah. The circuit's clean here. Everything's clean here. I'm going to clean this other side and I'm going to screw everything back in with batteries and everything. Don't fuck anything up in here when you're cleaning. Okay. Circuit board looks clean. Now, how I opened, and it took me a while to open because you need a long screwdriver, not the little bitty ones. No, you don't need, because that's not going to do anything for you. Then you take 2 of the legs off. Why? You should take 3 of them off. But I didn't do that because I didn't want to fuck with, and I didn't want to break it anymore. I lost the screw cover. So let me screw this in fully and then pop some batteries. And we're going to see if it works. So thanks to Jessie, because my sister Jessie was like, don't throw it out. There's a way to fix it. I'm like, no, there isn't. And she's like, yeah, there is, smart aleck. And let's see if this works. I've never cleaned a circuit board before. I've never dealt with this type of thing. So, let me screw everything in. I'm going to screw them in somewhat tight because I don't want the video to take long. Because one of my friends said you had to use rubbing alcohol because that's what cleans it. I guess because I'm not allowed to have alcohol with the program that I'm in. Gotta make do with some things. But I also don't want to blow out the circuit. So I did a dry paper towel. I'm gonna close everything back up and I'm gonna put in some batteries and see if this worked. Put in the screw somewhat. I am going to tighten everything back up. I want to see how everything looks. And then I'm going to pop in some batteries after I finish. This looks put together, but yeah, that looks put together to me. Okay. Pop some batteries in. Good thing I have AA batteries here and tape for the cover. Hopefully there's no problem. Let's pop some batteries in. See what happens. Now this battery doesn't want to go in. Hold on. Batteries are in. Put some tape over this little battery compartment here so that Sergio can't get to the batteries. Put another piece over here. so that he can't get to the batteries. I think I'll reinforce this side. Let's see if little Sergio's toy works perfectly now.
Blue, orange, yellow, red, yellow. Open, close, up, down.
And as you can see, Sergio's little toy is working. So if you wanted to know, here's the comment shout outs. Here's the shout outs I'm giving. Shout out to Jessie Reyes for telling me how to fix this fucking thing. I would never be able to fix this without her. This would probably be dumped. But Sergio loves this thing. And it was very expensive. So shout out for Jessie Reyes and Alexa, so that I can get this working. So have a nice day. Subscribe. And if not, you can lick my butthole. I'm just joking. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Yeah.